Performance with the base metals here on the floor of the LME so far today, with prices going into the afternoon session trading nearer their highs than the day's lows. There's been some follow-through buying from yesterday's buying on the dips, and that's helped the markets push higher. Business levels have not been particularly high, turnovers either on the screen here on the floor, but they are showing signs of picking up going into the afternoon session. The trend, it's also been aided by a steadier euro against the dollar. That's followed some comments overnight from Japan's finance minister that the country will buy Eurozone bonds, so that has helped inject some background sentiment into the metals. For the rest of the day, prices look like they'll probably build on and possibly extend these gains. There's no frontline US economic data coming out, nothing before 3 o'clock at any rate, and the much vaunted index reweighting, there's been very little evidence of that impacting on price movements so far this week. For the individual metals, today's warehouse stock data wasn't particularly supportive. Only nickel saw a stock drawdown. All the other metals saw stock increases, which in the case of copper and tin took those metals to levels last seen last September and last July. Zinc stocks are at their highest for 6 years, and lead have reached their highest for around 15 years. Nevertheless, these are money markets at the moment. Money is coming into the metals, albeit not too much or not as much as has been anticipated, so those factors are being ignored for now. As we say, for the rest of the day, it looks like it's going to be a steadier trend. For the copper market in particular, yesterday it tested the downside at 9,300 of its current range. This morning it's got near the $9,500 level, which is seen as a ceiling of its short-term range. If the market can push above that level, then it might trigger a rally towards the close. This is Martin Hayes of Fast Markets on the floor of the LME.